Welcome. If you're looking to update your hometown on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the steps have changed just a bit. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. At the top right corner of the Facebook homepage, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your personal profile page. Here, look for the About section. It's usually found in the menu below your cover photo. Click on About to access more details about your profile. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see different categories. Find and click on Places Lived. This section displays all the locations you've added to your profile, including your current city and, of course, your hometown. Look for the hometown entry. To the right of it, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Hometown. Now you can type in your new hometown or make any changes you'd like. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and make sure you've selected the correct location from the suggestions that appear. Once you're happy with your changes, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your hometown has now been updated on your Facebook page. Changing your hometown is a great way to keep your profile up to date and let friends know where you're from. If you ever want to update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.